Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, January 26, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can build a lucrative side hustle and start today, okay? So these are just based on what I do. I'm in the make money online niche. You might be in another niche, but that's fine. The same principles apply. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have a product or service that you're offering to other people, okay? So you got to find something that you're passionate about, something that you truly care about, okay? Because people see that. If you're just up here selling products and services that you don't care about, people they'll be able to read you, okay? And they want to join somebody or make a purchase from somebody who's passionate about what they're doing, okay? So the second thing you want to do is you want to have systems set up, all right? So you want to have a system for your product or service so that every time somebody goes to that system, it does all the selling and telling for you. Okay, so that your only job is to drive traffic to the system. And that is what I do with my opportunities that I'm involved with. Okay, now if you don't have any opportunities, or if you've never done any work from home type opportunities, I have a website, joinruss.com, all right, where you can go and see all the opportunities that I'm a part of right now. Okay, the top 2 opportunities that I'm a part of are direct mail opportunities. All right, so these are mailing out postcards. Simple to do, right? And when you join either one of these opportunities, you're going to get leads. That's the product that you're getting for your join. You know, when you pay to join, you're getting leads, okay? And these are opportunity seeking leads. So these are people who are actually looking for ways to supplement or replace their income from home. Now, what I do is I do online and offline marketing, because that's just what converts best. All right, this is a numbers game. So the more people that see your opportunity, the more eyeballs that are on your opportunity equals more people joining. All right, if that makes sense. So I take joinruss.com, okay, and I got places online where I share this link. I make YouTube videos, I make Facebook videos, I post content on Facebook and on YouTube community, and those are the only 2 social media platforms that I use. All right, and that's to help me drive traffic to joinruss.com, and of course these videos. And then offline, I take the leads that I get from my postcard opportunities. All right, I have a letter that I send out. And basically the letter just tells people about who I am, that I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years, and I've been fortunate enough to work from home full-time since 2018. And then it has my 2 postcard opportunities in there, and it has the 2 other opportunities that I'm a part of. Okay, and each opportunity that I'm a part of has its own system in place. So it doesn't matter if somebody goes to joinruss.com and clicks on one of my opportunities, they're going to get taken to a system. If they receive my letter and they see the postcards or the other 2 opportunities, it's going to take them to a website for that particular offer. And there's a system in place that does all the selling and telling for me. All right, so people go to that page, they opt in with their name and email address. They're going to get more information about the opportunity. And then that system has an autoresponder set up to where it's going to automatically drip feed emails to the person who requested more information. And over time, some people join right away, but a lot of times it takes 6 to 12 times for a person to see an opportunity before they actually join it. So these autoresponders work on your behalf to send messages to the people requesting more information. And it's just a win-win situation, all right? So if you show up every day and you take massive action and you stay consistent, you'll be able to build a lucrative side hustle, and you can start it today. All my opportunities are $50 or less to get started. 2 of them, the 2 postcard opportunities, you have to live in the United States, the Virgin Islands, or Puerto Rico to partake in. The other 2 are global opportunities. When you join me, you're going to get a welcome email with my resource page that I put together. Over 80 different places you can share these opportunities online. 99% of them are free. You're going to get my letter template that I use to send out my letters, and you're going to get my contact information so that you can reach out to me anytime you have questions or need any assistance. So that's how you want to do it. You want to find a niche, you want to set up systems, and then you want to drive traffic to those systems. And I show you exactly how you do that when you join me, okay? It doesn't get any easier than this, and direct mail opportunities are, out of all the years I've been doing this, have been the easiest way that I've ever made money, okay? So of course I have to put in my earnings disclaimer and tell you that I can't guarantee you're gonna make any money in any of the programs that I'm a part of, because it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But if you look at my Facebook page and my YouTube channel, you'll see payment proofs. I get paid every week now from my different opportunities, okay? So you can do it if you show up and take action and stay consistent. But if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.